Nayo thirikari ya bũrũri wa Kenya nĩ ĩrĩkĩtie gũtigĩrĩra atĩ nĩ manyitanĩra oro hamwe na sekta itiganĩte oro hamwe na mũingĩ wothe gũtigĩrĩra atĩ nĩ mathaitĩra marĩa maturigiciirie. Rĩu makĩaria hĩndĩ ya mĩhang'o ya ũrekereria wa ng'ũrũ cia Mai-Ini iria ciũĩkaine ta turtles 147 munene wa rũhonge rwa ũthaitĩri wa nyamũ na gĩthaka Erastus Kanga nĩ ugĩte atĩ ũnyitanĩri wa honge itiganĩte nĩ ũgũteithĩrĩria kũhonokia nyamũ icio. Ho nĩ mugĩte atĩ guthaitĩrwo kwa marĩa kana guthaitĩra kwa mamwe ma marĩa maturigiciirie nĩ ũmwe wa njĩra ĩmwe ya gũtigĩrĩra atĩ nginyanagia nyamũ cia gĩthaka-inĩ nĩ ciakorwo na handũ hega ha gũikara, ũndũ ũrĩa ũgũteithĩrĩria ministry itiganĩte arĩ hamwe na ĩrĩa ya ũgendi gũkorwo ĩkĩyũkĩrĩria kuona atĩ rĩu nĩ kũrehe agendi kuma mabũrũri-inĩ mangĩ gũka gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ gũkorwo magĩkĩingĩra na gũciona.
Seen the Kenyan side is well protected, and from the scientific, the technical information that we are getting is that the turtles would like to move and stay more on the Kenyan side because it's far much secure. There is need to collaborate across outside Kenya because these are not species restricted to Kenyan domain. We've had they migrate all the way to South Africa, to Indonesia, and there's need for all the nations to work together, and that is why it's called a World Turtles Day. It's not only being celebrated in Kenya, it's celebrated across. There is need to harmonize regulations right across. Even within the country, we might require more regulations and policies to strengthen the protection of the coastline, protection of the marine life, protection of the turtles, and not just turtles, the entire marine life.
Kama hii kuna umuhimu ya kuonyeshana vile tunafanya conservation ya hawa wanyama wako kwa bahari, the turtles. The turtles are extremely important in the ecosystem. They are part of the wider ecosystem species that are there. Like this morning, what we just released are the green turtles. The green turtles feed purely on the seagrass, so they are edible. They are actually providing very good oil that people go in and poach them and get them here. And what we are seeing is that they don't only confine themselves in Kenya, but the little ones that we just released today, they are going to move all the way to Mozambique, all the way to South Africa, and when they are about 25 years, they will come and nest in the same places that they've been hatched. So as a country, we are working with our neighbors, the Somali, Tanzania, and all the other countries along the Indian Ocean coast to make sure that we have concerted effort across our borders.
There cannot be tourism before there is wildlife. That's a fact for sure. So unless we strengthen the conservation of our wildlife and all the species of wildlife, then tourism will die. But if we protect and conserve nature, then the next frontier, and in fact a service industry that can employ every Kenyan. It's important we get to know that one tourist creates 6 jobs.
Namasio ni mumariko thĩinĩ